Happy Friday, friends. My good news today is that I just finished some exercise and it just makes me feel good, and so I like exercising. Let's go ahead and get started with the rest of our book today. Camel. A camel's young front teeth are long, strong, and have very sharp edges. They're just right for nipping off tough, thorny desert plants. Fact: baby camels' front teeth erupt through their gums by the time they're 14 days old. Like you, camels have two sets of teeth. Camels will get their adult front teeth when they're about 5 years old. If you had camel front teeth and ate tough stuff for 8 hours a day, as camels do, by the time you were grown up, your front teeth would be no more than stubs. Animal teeth could be cool for a while, but you don't use your front teeth to cut down trees or scare off enemies. You don't need them to dig tunnels or bite really tough stuff. And you never lift the family car with your teeth, even for fun. So what kind of front teeth are right for you? Luckily, you don't have to choose. The teeth that replace those that you lost will be people teeth. They'll be what you need to bite apples, carrots, and corn on the cob. Just what you need to help you talk and, best of all, to show off when you smile. Where do teeth come from? Adult teeth start growing inside your jawbone soon after you're born, even while your baby teeth are getting ready to push through your gums. Any new growing teeth are called tooth buds. The crown or top of the tooth forms first. Then the roots grow and push the tooth out. When this happens with an adult tooth, it makes the baby tooth's roots break down. Next, the baby tooth gets loose and falls out. Then the permanent adult tooth moves into this space. Teeth need care. Besides two front teeth, you'll get 30 more permanent teeth, but you only get one set, and they must last your whole life. So brush at least at both morning and night, and floss between teeth regularly. Avoid fizzy drinks and sugary foods. Those help bacteria grow. Then bacteria attacks teeth and causes tooth decay. Dentists and doctors have found there is a strong connection between having healthy teeth and a healthy body. So taking good care of your teeth can help you grow up feeling like you have something to smile about. Plus, you'll have a beautiful smile that lasts a lifetime.